We just released a new feature on the platform, the Copy to Webflow button. It allows you to easily copy and paste any of our effects directly into Webflow. So let's see how it works.
So to do this, simply go to an effect tutorial and then click on the Copy to Webflow button. Then go to Webflow, select the body and paste the effect with your keyboard. If I go back to my tutorial here, I can see that I need to enable Gsap and Scroll Trigger plugin for this effect to work. So I go back to Webflow, in the settings here, Gsap, I enable Gsap and the Scroll Trigger plugin. Then I save changes, and all you need to do is to publish your website. Boom, it's working perfectly. All effects are fully dynamic. You can change the content and the effect will still work. So if you can change the text, the image, the number of items, and the script will adapt. So, for example, if I want to copy this text and replace this one with the new one, just need to publish again. And then you can see it still works with the new text. So let's add a second effect, like the 25, which the community really likes. So, copy to Webflow. Here I can see I already enabled Gsap, so it's all done. I just need to copy by clicking it. Go back to Webflow, select the body and paste it. Now if I publish, now we had effect 25 right after the effect 4. To get a smoother result across all effects and on your website when the user scroll, you need to enable Lenis. So to do this, you need to go here to your site settings, then go to the custom code section, and then to the footer code here. So go back to Made with Gsap and go to the Go Further page here. Then to the Webflow section, you have the code that load Lenis and activates it on your website. So copy this and paste it here. Save the code, and now all you have to do is to publish again. And as you can see now, the smooth scroll is activated.
So thank you for following this demo. We truly hope you enjoyed this new feature, especially if you're a Webflow user, and see you next time. Bye guys.